twist surrounding the death of ex-nominated MP Mark Tor has emerged after his former advocate sensationally claimed the lawmaker was assassinated. Eldoret-based advocate Simon Chepsiror Lilan had claimed that there is a conspiracy to cover up the sudden death of the late Tor. Tor's family has, however, dismissed the advocate's claims, saying he is not in any way related to the family and has no capacity to talk on their behalf. They termed the remarks as pure lies, which should be treated with contempt.
Events prior to the death of Mark Tor and after, those events point to the irresistible conclusion that Mark Tor was assassinated. And after he was assassinated, a scheme to cover up that assassination was hatched. The family was told that there was no space at the mortuary, Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital. And that was to facilitate the transferring of the body to Nairobi. But when I went to the Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital, I inquired and I was told there were 7 empty fridges, and that, in fact, they had received word that an important personality had died, and they had already prepared the executive fridge for the late Mark Tor. But the body was not taken there. It was brought to Eldoret Hospital. The following morning, it was flown to Nairobi. Before he died, Mark Tor had told me that he intended to support his son, Moses, to vie for the Chepsiror seat. And he was planning to sell some land in Nakuru so that he can finance his campaigns.
We would like members of the public not to speculate on what did happen. We have moved his body to Lee Funeral Home in Nairobi. Tentatively, from the doctors who received them at St. Luke's Hospital, that is Professor Kimayo, the report that he has written, which he sent to Nairobi, is that they suspect cardiac arrest. That will be confirmed at the Lee Funeral Home in Nairobi.
It's been a difficult 2 days for family and friends. And the loss of my father has come as a shock to me personally, as well as to everyone around him, surrounding him. So we ask for condolences at this time and privacy for the family as well. And we ask that you respect him, you respect his legacy, you respect his name, and that he will be remembered for the great man he was.
Mark Tor was a clean man. Remember somebody who worked for 24 years with the former president, a very close confidant of the former president. But to date, nobody ever mentions him in any way to be linked directly or indirectly to anything that happened bad in this country. He was a great man, a clean man.
Mark Tor nimeassociate naye sana na ninajua amefanya mengi katika serikali yetu ya Kenya. Hakuna maendeleo ambayo imefanyika kule Nandi hapa Uasin Gishu ambayo mkono yake ijaingia huko. Kienda kwa kanisa mkono yake hako. Kienda kwa development projects, shule mkono yake hako.